So finally, OnePlus has launched the most anticipated smartphone of the year, the OnePlus 12. And today we are going to see the top 5 features of the OnePlus 12. So without further ado, let's dive into this. First, I have to talk about the display. The OnePlus 12 is going to blow your mind with its impressive brightness. The phone will come with a 4500 nits of peak brightness, and let me clear, this will happen in direct sunlight, and in auto mode it will be at 1600 nits. The OnePlus 12 is using a 6.82 inches 2K LTPO 3.0 BOE X1 display with a 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate. The phone comes with a huge 5400 mAh battery to keep its display running. It comes with a 100-watt wired charging, a 50-watt wireless charging, and even a 10-watt reverse wireless charging capability. Not to mention, it also has a USB 3.2 Gen 1 port. The surprising part is that all of this come in the box, which is quite rare in the smartphone industry these days. With the OnePlus 12, OnePlus has managed to include all the missing features from their previous phones. Now the most highlighting part of the phone is the camera. OnePlus has added a new sensor collaboration with Sony. There is a 50 megapixel main camera LYT808, a 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera IMX58114mm, and a 64 megapixel 3x periscope camera OmniVision OV64B. Switch to the front and you will find a 32 megapixel camera in a punch hole cutout topping at 4K 30fps video recording. Unfortunately, the phone will come with an IP65 rating for protection against dust and water. However, OnePlus has come up with a solution by introducing rain touch technology. So now using your phone's display in the rain or with water on it won't be difficult anymore. This feature ensures that the extra water doesn't cause any touch related issues. To make it all happen, the OnePlus 12 will be equipped with the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. As we all know, compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, the 8 Gen 3 offers a whopping 28% increase in performance. One reason for this could be the reduced frequency in 8 Gen 3. The phone will come with 12, 16 and 24 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM and 256, 512 gigs and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage options. And the most surprising thing was that we all thought the OnePlus 12 would be priced even higher or at least the same as the S23 Ultra, but OnePlus completely proved us wrong. The OnePlus 12 is only available in China right now and starts at $600 in the market. This is for the 12 gigs and 256 gigs model, while the top end 24 gigs 1 TB variant will set you back at $800. OnePlus confirmed that the OnePlus 12 would be launched globally in early 2024 alongside other products. There is obviously no word on global pricing, but we hope the new phone doesn't see a significant price hike over the Chinese OnePlus 12. However, the presence of wireless charging, a periscope camera and a bigger battery suggests that we won't see the same price as the OnePlus 11 at the very least. So what do you think about this OnePlus 12? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.